Hi everyone, this is going to be the very first video of this YouTube channel. I'm turning 33 today, and I have found just a few days ago a perfect course that is teaching you everything you need to know about digital marketing and how to start earning money online by selling digital products. This was the topic that I was interested in for a few years already, because I saw every single blogger, everyone who was successful with their social media, they were all selling their books, their guides, their courses, but I didn't know how to do it. And now with this course I have learned, right now I have my own website. I am right now making an ebook, and soon I will be able to get it further and expand. So on this channel I'm going to share with you my journey, and as well as I'm going to give you my own perspectives on finances, on managing money, and the things that I tried that helped me to start saving money, making a money pillow,